Hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to run regression, linear regression. So for this purpose what we need, we have to import pandas as PD. We can see here import numpy as NP, and we are going to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and from sklearn import datasets and comma linear model because we want to run linear model. So for this purpose what we have to do, let's say I'm just creating our data frame, and I want to read this file pd dot, and I'm going to use read excel, read underscore excel, read underscore excel. And what is my file name? My file name is regression dot. I'm just writing this. I'm writing my file name is regression, and I'm going to use dot xlsx, and let me run this, right? And after that I want to print this file. So let me see what is in this file. Let me run this so you can see here. This is my file name, firm id, performance, size, age, and location. So I just want to see, first of all, through graphically I want to see how this data is distributed. So for this purpose, I had used percentage matplotlib inline. And after that, I had used on the x-axis, because age is my independent variable and performance is my dependent variable. So I had used xlab, right, age, number of years. So let me run this, and after that plt.ylab, y levels performance output. And after this we can see plot. We are going to use this function plt.scatter data frame dot adf performance. So let me run this. So after that you can see here what is my output. This is my output, but data is not distributed in a linear function, it is a scattered data. So after that I'm going to use another file because I'm going to run linear regression. So I had used this function d. Again I had created one more variable, that is df1 equal to, here is pd dot underscore csv file, and this file is my csv file. So let me run this file, and after this I'm just going to see this file, what is in this file. And here is, you can see here I'm going to print df dot shape. So I want to see how many columns and how many there are rows. So it is reflecting 8 rows and 2 columns. So again I'm going to use this particular function percentage matplotlib inline. Then after that I'm writing plt dot x level gdp in billions, right? And after that I'm going to use plt dot y level fdi in billions. And I'm going to use this plt dot scatter data frame. This is my df1 fdi, and df1 dot gdp color green, because I don't want, if suppose I will remove this, so what will happen? Let me close this and let me run this. So what is happening? You can see by default, this is the linear pattern, but there is the blue color and these are the dots. Let's say, suppose I don't want to see these dots. So simply I'm going to use this color function. I want to change this color also. Let's say I'm going to use color is, let's say I'm going to use color is yellow. Right. And I want to see, rather than these dots, I want to use marker. And marker would be, let's say, I'm going to use this marker as, let's say, star. Or I can say, right, star. So let me run this. Let me see what is the change. Yes, you can see here, this color has been changed. And these are the, I think I should change this color. Yellow is not, let me use this red color, so that would be more visible. Yes. So now you can see here this color has been changed. So this is the linear, right? This is the linear function. And as well as you can see y-axis FDI, right? And on the x-axis, this is the GDP. So I'm sure in the next video, I'm going to run regression, linear regression. And after that, I'm going to run multiple regression. So meanwhile, do practice, keep watching. Thank you.